Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to study the classifications of accounting ratios. Accounting ratios are classified into four categories: liquidity ratio, solvency ratio, activity or turnover ratio, and the last one is profitability ratio, or we may say income ratio. So, the first one is liquidity ratio. Liquidity refers to the ability of the firm to meet its current liability. As we can understand the word liquidity, that means the ability of a firm to convert its assets. How quickly a firm can convert its asset into cash or cash equivalent. That ability can be termed with the help of liquidity. So, by calculating liquidity ratio, we can find out, or we can determine the ability of the firm to meet its current obligation out of current resources. So, there are two type of ratios under liquidity ratio which we are going to study. First is current ratio or working capital ratio, and the next one is quick ratio or acid test ratio or liquid ratio. We will study all these ratios one by one. The next category or accounting ratio is solvency ratio. These ratios are calculated to assess the ability of the firm to meet its long-term liabilities. As we have seen, in case of liquidity ratio, that shows the ability of the firm to pay its current liabilities, that means short-term liabilities. But in case of solvency ratio, this ratio shows the ability of the firm to meet its long-term liabilities. That means those liabilities which exist for more than 1 year. And solvency ratio discloses the firm's ability to meet the interest cost regularly and long-term indebtedness at maturity. That means whatever long-term debts a company possesses, for that whatever the interest may appear, this solvency ratio shows the ability to pay the interest on those debts as well as to pay the principal amount of that debt at the time of maturity. So in this we are going to study four type of debts solvency ratio. First is debt equity ratio, next is total asset to debt ratio, third one is proprietary ratio, and the fourth one is interest coverage ratio. The third category of accounting ratio is activity ratio. These ratios are calculated on the basis of cost of revenue from operations or revenue from operations, and these ratios are also known as turnover ratio. So in this under this ratio we are going to study four kinds of ratios: inventory turnover ratio or stock turnover ratio, second one is debtors or receivable turnover ratio, third one is creditors or payable turnover ratio, and the fourth one which we will study would be working capital turnover ratio. Now the last category, that is the profitability ratio or income ratio. The main object of all the business concern is to profit. As we know that the main purpose is to earn profits or income. Profit is a measurement of the efficiency of a business. Profitability ratio measures the various aspects of the profitability of a company. That means by calculating profitability ratio, we can determine that how much a firm what is the rate of profit on revenue from operation of a firm, or whether the profits are increasing or decreasing. That means all these kind of information can be determined by calculating the profitability ratio. Under this, there are 5 types of profitability ratio: gross profit ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, and return on investment. So this is all about the classification of ratio or various types of ratio, which we are going to study in this chapter. And in the next video, we are going to discuss all these ratios one by one. With this, I am going to end my video. Thank you.